Smart Hub setup for electric skylight blinds. Before installing the skylight blinds, make sure to pair the gateway first. Open the battery cover. Power on the Smart Hub. Press and hold left inching and stop button about 3 seconds. Indicator light turn red, then switch to control normal battery motor. Press and hold configure network button about 3 seconds. Indicator light to turn blue. Open the Tuya or Smart Life app. Wait for automatic scanning. Add. Connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi. Wait for connection. Rename. Done. Next, connect the motor. Press the set button on the battery. Motor jog once. Then press stop button on the Smart Hub for 3 seconds. Motor jog once. Now you can control it by the Smart Hub or your phone. You can also link to Alexa. Me. Third-party voice service. Amazon Alexa. Link to Amazon Alexa. Link. Done. Alexa, close the skyline blinds.
Okay.